Hey, Chem team. So we've learned that the concentration of a solution is just a ratio that compares the amount of solute that's dissolved in the solution to the total size of the solution. So a highly concentrated solution would be a solution that has a lot of solute dissolved within it relative to its volume, where a dilute solution or low concentration solution would have very little solute dissolved within it relative to the volume. So when chemists are measuring the concentration of a solution, they tend to use the units of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution. And they call this the molar concentration of a solution, or the molarity. So for instance, if we had 3 solutions, each 1 liter big, the first one that had half a mole of solute particles dissolved in it, the next that had an entire mole of solute, and the last that had 2 moles of solute particles dissolved. This first example would be a 0.5 molar solution. That would be its molar concentration, 0.5 moles per liter. Whereas this middle solution would be a 1 molar solution. It had 1 mole of particles dissolved in each liter. And this last solution would be a 2 molar solution. It had 2 moles of particles dissolved in each liter. And you'll notice that chemists will often abbreviate the words molar solution to just the capital letter M. So for an example of this, if a food chemist dissolved 88 grams of carbon dioxide into 500 milliliters of carbonated soda, what would be the molar concentration of the solution? Well, since the question is asking for the molar concentration, it wants to know how many moles of our solute, in this case carbon dioxide, are dissolved in every liter of solution. Now the only problem is that we aren't given the amount of carbon dioxide in moles, we're given it in grams. And we're not given the size of the solution in liters, we're given it in milliliters. So we're going to have to convert grams of carbon dioxide into moles of carbon dioxide, and we're going to have to convert 500 milliliters into liters. So we'll do that. We start with 88 grams of carbon dioxide. Using the periodic table, we can find that the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 grams per mole. And so 88 grams of carbon dioxide would be 2 moles of CO2. And likewise, if the solution is 500 milliliters total, and we need to convert it to liters, each liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So our 500 milliliter solution is just equal to half of a liter. And so now that we've found the moles of CO2, and we've found the number of liters that the solution is taking up, we can find the molar concentration by just comparing this. 2 moles of CO2 for every half liter would be equal to 4 moles per liter when we punch that into our calculator. And so this would be a 4 molar solution, or abbreviated as 4 capital M. And that's it. At this point, you guys have a couple of practice problems. We'll see you in class tomorrow.